Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Linking a button in Excel saves time and reduces errors when navigating or running tasks. I will show clear steps for Excel 2016, 2019, and 365 so you can follow along. First, enable the Developer tab if you need macros and form controls for buttons. You can also use built-in hyperlinks for simple jumps or file opens without developer access. Keep files in the same folder for easier relative links and fewer broken paths. Start by inserting a shape from Insert Shapes and adjust its size and text label. Select the shape and press Ctrl+K to open the Insert Link dialog quickly. To jump to a worksheet cell, type Sheet 2, A1 in the address field and click OK. To open a file, paste the full file path or browse to the file and confirm the link. To create an email link, type mailto, recipient at example. Com and include a subject line if desired. For a macro button, enable the Developer tab and choose Developer Insert Form Controls. Click Button, draw it on the sheet, and the Assign Macro dialog appears automatically. Record a macro or open the VBA editor to write a short subroutine to perform your task. Assign the macro to the button and test it with one click. Right-click the button to edit text or format control for appearance. Use relative file paths when calling external files.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.